waving flag, a waving flag. Strong, stronger, strong. I will be stronger, stronger, strong. Just like the waving. Give me freedom, give me voice, give me reason. Take me higher, see the champions, take the field down. Your name us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our and celebrated. As we do our exhibition, celebration is around us. Every nation is around us. Forever you. We all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like the waving. When I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like the waving flag, the waving flag, the waving flag. My name is Forward Svosve. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm a Shona guy. I'm a Mbira musician. I started Mbira when I was 10 years old. My father used to play Mbira. He used to play Mbira and my mother was playing some shakers in his family. So for the love of music, I got entertained by Mbira. When I came to South Africa, I used to play Mbira on the streets, and guys giving me some tips, and they're the ones who gave me that advice to come to Rosebank Mall, try to pass, so that when customers are paying on the machine, they eventually put any tip or any small change. So for now, I'm earning a living with Mbira only. I don't have any other job to do. I'm a Mbira musician. I compose songs. I make Mbira, I play the Mbira, I can teach Mbira, and I'm willing to go forward with my talent. I decided to call myself tripledread as a nickname, and I also made an email, tripledread@gmail.com, and the name came when I realized that my uncle used to play Mbira and he passed away long back, and my father also used to play Mbira, he also passed away, and my younger father also passed away. So I decided to call the right, this one dread, my father, and my younger father, the left dread, my uncle, the back dread. I used to have more dreads in my head, but I decided to cut all of them and make only 3. Samina, waka waka, samina, samina, waka waka, samina, waka waka, samina, zangaliwa, anawa, samina, waka waka, samina, zangaliwa, Titambo Africa, Jango, Samina Sengaliwa, and now Jango, Samina Sengaliwa, December. I'm feeling big mama. Don't say, put this, let me big mama. Don't do what you waka waka ma, put you see massive,